So we continue to look as the end near, what astronomy tells us about Revelation 12, and we're dissecting it. So we're looking at clothed with the sun. That phrase means the sun will be aligned with Virgo. As the Earth moves around the sun ends up being in the same line of sight with different constellations throughout the year, what we call the signs of the zodiac. Let's take a look at what we looked at before. Go in the picture. In September, the sun is aligned with Virgo. With the moon under her feet means the moon will be aligned with the feet of Virgo. Take that off here a little bit. As the moon moves around the Earth, it is also aligned with different constellations from month to month. On September 23rd, 2017, this critical year with everything is supposed to happen, and it didn't, the moon will be near the feet of Virgo. On her head, a crown of 12 stars means there will be 12 stars directly above the head of Virgo. The constellation Leo is directly above Virgo's head, containing what many believe to be 9 bright stars. Throughout the latter half of the month of September 2017, there will be 3 planets aligned with the constellation Leo, bringing the number of bright stars above the head of Virgo to 12, like the 12 tribes of Israel, which they're trying to refer to. She gave birth to a male child as a reference to Jupiter in the womb of Virgo. Throughout late August and most of September 2017, the planet Jupiter is lined up with the abdomen of Virgo. Jupiter was understood by the ancients to be the king of the planets, thus ruler is seen in the belly of Virgo. Here's what it looks like on September 23rd, 2017. Bear in mind, no one will actually see this alignment because it takes place during the daytime. And here's the picture. See? Move this over a little bit as far as it'll go. So we got some stars we select arbitrarily around here, around Leo. We got Mars, Venus, Mars, Mercury, Sun, Virgo, Jupiter, Moon. What is this supposed to be? Just these stars here, they can select whatever you want. Look at all the other stars in the background. There are millions and millions of stars here. Which ones do you choose? I don't know. And neither do these people. This is the alignment of sky objects on September 23rd, 2017. This is the background image from Naive.com Planetarium. Is this alignment unique? Some of these alignments are quite common. The sun is aligned with Virgo every year from mid-September to the end of October. The moon is at the feet of Virgo about once a month. So there's at least 1 or 2 days every year when the moon is near the feet of Virgo, while the sun is also in Virgo. Jupiter is aligned with Virgo about once every 11 to 12 years, spending over a month in the belly, depending on where you think her abdomen is. And at some point during that month, the sun will be aligned with her body and the moon will be at her feet. So far, of these factors, the sun, moon, and Jupiter are in the right place at the same time once every 11 to 12 years. But what about the 3 planets in Leo? This configuration is far less common, but Professor Christopher M. Graney has found no less than 4 times in the past 1,000 years when all these alignments took place. September 14th, 1056, September 5th, 1293, September 6th, 1483, September 24th, 1827. Contrary to some claims you read on the internet that this alignment only happens once in history or once in 7,000 years, in reality this alignment seems to show up once every 240 years on average. So yes, the alignment is rare. You would expect this any time you're trying to line up 8 objects in the sky in a particular order. 4 planets, 2 constellations, the sun and the moon. And these are oftentimes part of different constellations. But it isn't once in human history kind of event that would indicate that this is what's going to happen. Furthermore, proponents of this theory also have to make the assumption that Leo has only 9 stars. In order to get to a crown of 12 stars using 3 planets, you need to start with only 9 stars. But there are a lot more than 9 stars in Leo. There are 13 stars alone that are brighter than magnitude 4. There you go. So,